So in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to find the stationary points of a function. So if you look here you can see I've got a function. It has to find the stationary points. These are the points where the derivative is 0. So obviously to start you have to find the derivative. So I'm going to use a few of the differentiation rules here. I know the derivative of x cubed is just 3x squared, so I know f prime of x equals 3x squared, and I know that the derivative of x squared is 2x, so it's plus 21 over 2 times 2x. And the derivative of x is 1, so plus 30. And the derivative of any constant term is 0, so that's just 0. Could add a plus 0 here. Okay, now I know 21 over 2 times 2, well, that's just 21, so I've got equals 3x squared plus 21x plus 30. Now, some of you may have noticed that I can take out a factor of 3 here, so that's just equals 3 times x squared plus 7x plus 10. Now, as some of you may know, I factorised this quadratic in an earlier video, and also it's quite simple to factorise. So I'm just going to skip straight to the solution, which is just 3 times x plus 2 times x plus 5. Okay, so now I've got to set the derivative to 0, as I mentioned in my intro. So that means that I have 3 times x plus 2 x plus 5 equals 0. Okay, so I've got x is negative 2 or x is negative 5. So that is the x coordinate of the stationary points. Now you could go as far as to find the y coordinate of these by substituting into f of x. I would write it like this: hence the stationary points are -2 and -5. So that was how to find the stationary points of a function. Thank you.